In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check blocked accounts on Pinterest. Whether you've blocked a few profiles in the past or you're just making sure your account is set up the way you want, this quick check helps you keep your browsing experience positive. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Pinterest's settings, add a few pointers along the way, and keep everything clear and simple. Start by going to pinterest.com in your browser and signing into your account. You can do this on desktop or a mobile browser. The layout may vary slightly, but the path is the same. If you prefer the Pinterest app, the wording can differ by version, so for the most reliable view, I recommend the desktop site while you follow along. Once you're on Pinterest, open your account settings. On desktop, look toward the top right corner for your profile picture or a menu button, then choose Settings. If you see a gear icon, that's the same place. Settings is where Pinterest groups controls for your account, privacy, notifications, and social interactions, so this is the hub we need to reach the blocked list. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Social Permissions. This area governs how other people can interact with you on Pinterest and what you allow or restrict. It's also where Pinterest places the link to your block list, making it easy to review. If you don't immediately see it, scan the left sidebar or the main settings panel for social or permissions-related options. In Social Permissions, click See List next to the Blocked Accounts option. That opens a dedicated list of profiles you've blocked. Here, you can quietly review each account without notifying anyone. If the page is empty, it simply means you haven't blocked anyone yet. If you're auditing your list, take your time, confirm each name, and note that management options appear next to individual profiles should you want to make changes later. A couple of quick tips before we finish. If something looks different from what you see here, it might be due to a recent interface update. Refresh the page, try a different browser, or switch to the desktop site for a consistent layout. And if you maintain multiple Pinterest accounts, double check you're signed in to the correct one. That's it. You now know exactly where to find and review your blocked accounts on Pinterest.